This video is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the new adware type application, which is called FractionElement. So FractionElement is a special adware that specifically targets Mac computers. This adware attacks Safari browser mainly, even though Google Chrome and other browsers may also be attacked. FractionElement adware, once installed, starts to display the huge amount of pretty intrusive ads that are not related to the sites that you visit. If you have found this adware on your Mac computer, it is time to get rid of it. Otherwise, you will keep facing the great portion of pretty intrusive pop-ups that will be periodically disturbing your screen. To remove this FractionElement adware, go to your Finder, check your applications. Once you locate this FractionElement, right-click on it and move it to the trash. I would also recommend that you thoroughly research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page, the official website, combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and start investigating your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.